Good morning, students. Welcome in AI class. Again, we will discuss the first unit Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, and today we will discuss what is not AI. Actually, there are number of technologies around us, and sometimes we are confused in between what is AI and what is not AI. So today we will discuss in detail what is AI and what is not AI. So let us start. What is not AI? Since we have a lot of different technologies which exist around us in today's time, it is very common for us to misunderstand any other technology as AI. Yes, it's a technological era, and number of technologies day by day, number of equipments day by day, these are coming, and we are confusing ourselves with those components whether these are AI or not AI, and sometimes we are uh, considering them AI, but in actual these are not AI. That's why we need to have a clear difference between what is AI and what is not AI. In the previous video, in the previous chapter, we discussed in detail what is actual AI. In actual, if a machine will be trained with data and machine can take decisions on its own, then we can say that the machine is AI. Any equipment, if it is trained with data, if it is trained with information, and after training, after learning, machine can decide, machine can work, machine can behave like human beings by its own, without any intervention of, without any interaction of humans, then we can say that yes, that equipment, that device, that machine is AI. As we discussed earlier, any machine that has been trained with data and can make decisions, prediction on its own, can be termed as AI. So here the term training is very important in the case of AI. That is, if machines are trained firstly with data, with information, and after that machines are working on its own, by its own, then we can say that yes, machines are AI, equipments are AI. But if all the time we are directing machines, we are clicking the buttons of machines, we are saying machines what to do and what not to do, we are giving input, then that is not a part of AI, that is not AI. So training the machine is very important in the case of AI. Why? Because after training, after learning, a machine can work on its own. Now let us discuss with examples what is not AI. Automation. There are number of devices at our home also. There are number of equipments in our day-to-day life which are automatic, and we are saying that those equipments are AI. No, all automated devices are not termed as AI. The automated devices, if they cannot decide its by its own, if they cannot operate on its own, if they cannot work on its own without the interaction of human, then we cannot say those devices are AI. So automation is not AI. Like let us see in this example, a fully automatic washing machine. Sometimes we are saying that yes, washing machine is AI. No, a fully automatic washing machine can work on its own, but it requires human intervention. to select the parameters of washing and to do the necessary preparation for it to function correctly before each wash. So in the case of washing machine, no doubt washing machines nowadays, these are coming with number of functions. These are fully automatic, but yes, to start the machine we are clicking button, to give water, to set the water level, yes, we are setting by its own. Again, for other functions we are clicking, we are giving input to the machine and then machine is operating. So we cannot say all the automatic washing machines are AI. No doubt these washing machines can be converted to AI by the training, by learning, by experience. And if a machine will operate by its own, it will set the water level by its own according to the clothes, then yes, it can be termed AI. But all automation is not AI. So if a machine is working automatically, we are providing the parameters, we are clicking its buttons, it's only automation, it is not artificial intelligence. Second, all remotes are not AI. Nowadays number of devices are there, we are controlling remotely, ACs, TVs, even from the distance there are remotes which can control the devices, but all remotes are not AI. Why? Because we are giving the parameters, we are clicking. Remotes need interaction, remote needs input from the human and then it operates. So we cannot say all remotes are AI. An air conditioner can be turned on and off remotely with the help of internet. Yes, nowadays there are air conditioners which we can control from distant locations to on and off, but those are with the help of internet, which is IoT technology, which is different technology, internet of things technology. That is not termed as AI, because from distance we are selecting the parameters, we are giving the input, and then air conditioners are operating. So if only we are starting the devices, starting the machines with the remotes, those are not examples of AI. An air conditioner can be turned on and off remotely with the help of internet, but still needs a human touch. So if a machine need human touch and a machine cannot operate by its own, how we can say that that is AI? This is an example of internet of things, that is the example of internet technology, not artificial intelligence. In the application we have discussed that robots are big examples of AI. No doubt that's correct, but all robots are not AI. Just please here keep in your mind, all robots are not AI. If a robot need human touch, if a robot need human direction to work, then that is not AI. And if a robot can work by its own, and if a robot can decide, if a robot can work like human, then that is the part of AI. So all robots are not AI. Also, every now and then we get to know about robots which might follow a path, or maybe can avoid obstacles, but need to be preempted accordingly each time. So if a robot need input, if a robot need direction each and every time, that is not a part of AI. That is only a machine, that is only a technology which can be operated by humans. Only sensors means not AI. Just nowadays number of devices, number of projects are there which are operating with the help of sensors, but only sensor means not AI. But here I would like to clarify that these projects can be merged with AI. Let us firstly discuss only sensors means not AI. We also get to see a lot of projects which can automate our surroundings with the help of sensors. So, only sensors if these are automating the work, but if these need human interaction, human input, then we cannot say that these are AI. Here too, since the bot or the automation machine is not trained with data, it does not count as AI. Because for the machines, for the projects, for the equipments to which we can say that yes, it's AI, first hand requirement is if it is trained. If it is trained with data, if it is trained with information, and a machine has learned, and after learning, after training, a machine is capable to work without human interaction, without human touch, without human input, that is AI. But if with input machine is working, that is not termed as AI. All smart devices are not AI. Yes, nowadays it's a era of smart devices, uh, at our home, in our surrounding, at working place. There are number of smart gadgets, smart devices nowadays, but all are not AI. All are not examples of AI. Let us discuss. Also, it would be valid to say that not all the devices which are termed as smart are AI enabled. For example, a TV does not become AI enabled if it is a smart one. It gets the power of AI when it is able to think and process on its own. So here we have taken one example of TVs. No doubt nowadays smart TVs are also coming. Number of features are there which we can operate with the help of television. But all smart devices are not termed as AI, because for the AI, any device, any equipment to be considered as AI, it require training, it require experience, and moreover, in simple words, if a device can work on its own, by its own, it can decide on its own without any input from the human, then we can say that the devices are AI. But for a TV, if we are clicking the button, if we are starting, if we are giving direction with the help of remote or with the help of buttons, we are changing the channels, that is not termed as that is not a term of AI. Now let us discuss these. We have up to now we have discussed what is not AI with the help of examples. But no doubt, what we have discussed, these can be shifted to AI. These can be merged with AI. Yes. Now, what is AI? Let us discuss. Just as humans learn how to walk, and then improve this skill with the help of their experience. An AI machine too gets trained first on the training data. In the in ninth class we have discussed training data and testing data. Uh, so AI machine too gets trained first on the training data and then optimizes itself according to its own experience, which makes AI different from other technology devices machine. So what is AI? Already we have discussed. If a machine is trained and machine can work by its own, machine can decide by its own. Every time it needs not direction, it needs not input from a human. then we can say that yes, that machine is AI. But well, surely these other technologies too can be integrated with AI. So the technologies we have discussed, that is automation, robots, sensors, etc. These can be integrated with the AI technology. These can be merged with the AI technology to improve the functioning. Yes, that can be termed as AI. But well, surely these other technologies too can be integrated with AI to provide us with a much better and immersive experiences. Yes, so if we will merge, if we will integrate the technologies like automation with AI, yes, that will be AI, and there will be different experience. There will be a very immersive experience. Robotics and AI, as we have discussed, all robots are not AI, but if robotics and AI, these will be merged, these will be integrated, these definitely open the doors to humanoids. We have already discussed in last humanoids. Any example from your side? Yes, number of examples are there. So okay, give answer to yourself about humanoids. Robotics and AI can definitely open the doors to humanoids. Humanoids to mean robots which are like humans. Sophia is one of the big example. So robots which are like human, which behave like human, which work without the interaction of human, without taking any input from the humans, and we cannot differentiate that if a human is working or a robot is working. That is the term of AI. No doubt there are cars, there are number of features, but if there is a self driving car, so it means we have integrated the functionality of car with the AI technology. That will be termed as AI. AI, when merged with Internet of Things, can give rise to cloud computing of data. Nowadays, yes, there is role of cloud computing of data. When it will, that is the combination of AI plus um, internet technology. So that is termed as AI. And remote access of AI tools. Yes, no doubt we can access AI tools remotely, but yes, if they have functionality of working by its own, and if all the time we are operating, no doubt we can access with the help of remote, but all the time we are giving input and then machines are operating, then devices are operating, then we cannot say those are AI. Voice automated homes. If a home, and we can operate with the help of voice, we have trained firstly, and then with the help of voice it can recognize the different people's voice. Yes, then we can say that yes, it's a AI. Such integrations can help us to get the best of both worlds. So if we will integrate, if we will merge the different technologies like internet plus AI, sensor plus AI, automation plus AI, then there will be best results of both technologies. But by saying that only automation is AI, only sensors are AI, all the robots are AI, that is not true. So we should be able, because we are learning now artificial intelligence, it's our subject, we must know the difference in between what is AI and what is not AI. So I am hoping with this discussion uh, you must be able to differentiate what is AI and what is not AI. So up to today, we for this lecture we have discussed what is AI and what is not AI. I am hoping from your side also now you should be able to differentiate different projects from our surroundings, whether these are AI or not AI. So here I am giving you task also. Find more examples from your surroundings which are not AI. uh, yes, you can list on one side in tabular form. One side you can write what is AI, and on other side you can write what is not AI. At least write 5 things with examples, and also elaborate why it's AI and why it's not AI. So if there will be any problem in this lecture, you can call or you can message me, and also you can mention in the query section of attendance form. So for today, thank you, and hoping it will be clear to you to recognize, to differentiate what is AI and what is not AI. Thank you so much.